India also raised the issue of illegal immigrants with the Trump administration. Prime Minister Modi declared that India will take back verified illegals as he called for crackdown on the ecosystem of human trafficking. Meanwhile, 2 more flights from the United States are set to land in Amritsar on Saturday and Sunday.
Miss you.
We are ready to accept Indian illegals. This was the message from Prime Minister Modi to President Trump as one of the big talking points in the India-US bilateral was on the immigration crisis and the deportation of Indians. Weeks after America sent a flight full of Indian illegal immigrants back to India, Prime Minister Modi reiterated that India will take them back.
जहां तक भारत और अमेरिका का सवाल है, हमने हमेशा कहा है कि जो वेरीफाइड होगा, कि जो सच्चे अर्थ में भारत का ही नागरिक होगा, वो अगर अमेरिका में गैर कानूनी तरीके से रहता है तो उसको वापस लेने के लिए भारत तैयार है.
Prime Minister Modi also in the joint briefing highlighted how many Indians were being duped by agents and that the government was committed to helping them.
ये सामान्य परिवारों के बच्चे होते हैं, उनको बड़े बड़े सपने दिखाए जाते हैं और उनको ज्यादातर ऐसे होते हैं उनको गुमराह करके लाया जाता है और इसलिए ये ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग में जुड़े हुए पूरे इकोसिस्टम पर हमने वार करना चाहिए और अमेरिका और भारत मिल करके हमारी कोशिश है और हमारी कोशिश रहनी चाहिए कि इस प्रकार की पूरी इकोसिस्टम को हमें जड़ मूल से नष्ट करना चाहिए ताकि ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग बंद हो.
Almost on cue, 2 more flights with hundreds of deportees will be touching down in Amritsar in the next 2 days.
There seems no end to as far as illegals being offloaded from America, as 2 more flights are scheduled to reach Amritsar on February 15 as well as 16. Already 1 flight reached Amritsar on February 5, so there is no end to this. America offloading the illegal Indians from their land.
The opposition, however, has questioned why Prime Minister Modi did not raise the issue of the illegals being handcuffed and restrained.
मुझे उम्मीद ये थी कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी डोनाल्ड ट्रंप क्योंकि उनके दोस्त हैं वो उनसे ज़रूर ये पूछते कि जिस तरीके से ह्यूमन राइट्स कन्वेंशंस को ना फॉलो कर कर उनको मिलिट्री एयरक्राफ्ट से करीब 40 बंधक बनाकर उनको भेजा गया, उनको टॉयलेट की भी सुविधा में दिक्कतें आई, 40 घंटे की लंबी यात्रा हुई, आप उस मुद्दे को उठाते.
The only thing missing there from what Prime Minister Modi said was the question of the manner in which those people were treated and sent back. I think otherwise his stand was absolutely correct. These are misled youth who have been encouraged or induced to migrate illegally, and they should be taken back. If they are Indian citizens, they belong in our country, we take them back.
Congress has also questioned why the flights with deportees is landing in Amritsar, claiming it maligns Punjab's image.
पंजाब को अननेसेसरली बदनाम किया जा रहा है इसमें. मैं नहीं कहता कि हमारे बच्चे नहीं हैं, हमारे बच्चे हैं, लेकिन पूरा देश निकल के गुजरात, अहमदाबाद, ये सारा दिल्ली और पंजाब में लैंड करवाना मेरा ख्याल है कि ये एक मतलब एक ऐसी साजिश है जो पंजाबियों को बदनाम करने की है.
The message from India is clear that while countries have the right to crack down on illegals, India will also help our own. With Asim Bassi, Bureau Report, India Today.